Hello, my name is Samantha Gonzalez, and today I'm here to discuss kindergarten readiness and your child. Kindergarten has changed dramatically over the past few decades, and it continues to change. Kindergarten is not just about letters and numbers anymore. Now in kindergarten, we are working on helping your child develop a wide range of different skill sets. Some of these skills include social skills, pro-social behavior, and some of their executive function skills. Executive function skills are skills like being able to pay attention, follow a task all the way through, following directions, and also regulating some emotions. Now, we focus on children as a whole. We want to make sure that we are working on every skill set your child should have by a certain age. That includes social emotional skills, their language and literacy skills, cognitive skills, as well as their physical development. These are all imperative that we combine them in different activities in order to help children acquire this skill set. We are also very focused on making sure that our activities are developmentally appropriate. Now, this means that we're not asking your child to do anything that they are not capable of doing. We want to make sure that we are building on the skill sets that they already have or that they have already acquired prior to their kindergarten experience. We want to make sure that they are at the age level where they are able to complete a lot of the tasks that we will be working on together. Now, some of the things we also focus on is their ability to pay attention and have attention to learning. This includes curiosity in learning. Are they inquisitive? Do they want to participate in some of our learning activities? Engagement, and also persistence. We want to see that our children are working their hardest and trying their best. Also, self-control of feelings and behavior is very important. We want to see some of that regulation happening. Also, language and literacy is very important. We want to see children understanding language and being responsive to language, having healthy conversations amongst their peers and also with the adults in their lives. We also want to see interest in literacy. We all know that reading is super important, but in kindergarten, reading actually helps with letter and word knowledge. We want to see children interested in learning to read. We want to see them using their phonics, and we want to see sentence structure, which we know that children are going to need for their futures. When it comes to their cognition skills, we want to see classification, and also we're going to be working on number sense and some easy math operations. We're also going to be working on measurement, patterning, and shapes. When it comes to the science portion of their cognition skills, we will be working on cause and effect. This means when we see one thing happen, what does that cause to happen next? We will also be encouraging your child to participate in inquisitive thinking and learning. We want our kindergartners asking questions about their environment. We want them to know about their world, including nature, scientific aspects, and we will also be doing a lot of hands-on activity that include working in centers, using different elements from our environment, sand, water. We will be asking children to participate in their own learning process. Now, as parents and educators, it is extremely important that we work together to help our kindergartners be prepared for the next chapter of their educational career. We know that kindergarten is the foundation of their education. So together, if we work well and encourage our children to stay persistent, we can make sure that we send our children ready for first grade.